everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. 1.39 lakh crore rupees. That is the massive number Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman just allocated to the Education Ministry in the Union Budget 2026-2027. But beyond the big numbers, what does it actually mean for you, the student? From 3 new NIPER institutes, that means National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Institutes, to a completely new way of skilling for jobs. This isn't just a budget, it's a roadmap for your career. Let's decode it up. So over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, which says that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced 3 new National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, 1 new National Institute of Design and Support, 5 new University Townships in her budget speech 2026. First, let's talk about the new campuses. The government is establishing 3 new NIPERs and upgrading 7 existing ones. If you are in the pharma or medical line, your opportunities just got expanded. Also, get ready for 5 new University Townships. These aren't just colleges, they will be built right next to industrial corridors. What is the goal? You study, you intern next door, and you get hired. And yes, the IITs got a funding boost of nearly 10%, reaching over 11,300 crores. This means better labs, more research fellowships, and expanded seats for the new IITs established after 2014. So for school education, the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan saw a massive jump. Over here, the funding got raised. This isn't just for building classrooms. It's for upgrading them. The big buzzword this year is content creator labs. Yes, you heard that right. The finance minister proposed setting up AVGC, Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comics Lab in 15,000 schools and 500 colleges. Plus, with new centers of excellence for AI, the focus is clear. The government wants you to stop just learning and start creating for the future economy. But here's the most critical part for job seekers. A new high-powered education to employment, E2E, committee is being set up to bridge up the gap between your degree and your first job. They are targeting the training of 1 lakh allied health professionals over the next 10 years. So if you are opting for courses like optometry, radiology, or anesthetics, expect a lot more government support and job vacancies coming your way. So, is this a student-friendly budget? With a 6.2% overall hike and a clear shift towards AI and skilling, it looks promising on the paper, but as always, execution is the key. What do you think? Did they miss out on reducing education loan interest? Let me know in the comments below. And for deep dives into every exam update, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.